Hey, Sonic. Hey, Sonic, where's your sister? Where's your sister, huh? I mean, she's got to be around here somewhere, right? Might as well turn on the light. Aha! Yeah, you're doing it again, huh? You're just doing a dance? Look at that. Really? Yeah, you know you're in trouble. Come here. You know you're in trouble. Okay, I can turn that off with my elbow. There we go. Yeah, you know you're in trouble. Sonic, I can't let you out right now because I'm cooking some dinner on the stove. Can't have you flying around. But you're a very, very cute bird. You're a very cute little budgie. Oh, yeah, uh-huh. You tip over all your food and your chop goes everywhere. Right, Athena? Oh, Athena. Ew. Oh, I just noticed. You managed to poop in your food bowl. Why? Oh, my goodness. Good Lord, Athena. You don't have to throw out your whole food. Bird, a bird, a bird, a bird, a bird, bird, bird. Look at you. Look at you. See, look at that. They're talking about Spix macaws? Extinct? Yes, Spix macaws. They said extinct in the wild, and I saw macaws in the background there. Yeah. Oh. How about that? Laurel Park Foundation. So Parrot Park. Yeah, look at that. It's a parody night here at the Blackjack House. Throw that outside. Ugh. You're gross, Parrot. Look at baby parrots. Oh, I'd like to meet this man. Matthias is his name? Athena, yeah. Look at that, yeah. Matthias, yeah. Yeah, look at that, yeah. Did you grow up in an incubator, Athena? Did you ever? Because you were hand raised. I don't understand why people would still hunt wild birds for the pet trade. I mean, parrots have been pets for thousands of years. I mean, Alexander the Great had a pet parrot. And you'd think people would have learned to breed them in captivity a lot earlier. And like you have these people out there still going after even like grays. And it's like, if they pooled their resources and raised grays like how Athena was raised, just, bred and hand raised and everything, they'd be all ready to be sent off as pets. It would be legal, it would be ethical, and they'd be a lot healthier, and people would get a lot more money from it. So I don't understand why people are still robbing nests and everything. It's bizarre. Goodness, you have a lot less water than you did earlier. What'd you do? Did you drink all your water? Did you drink all your water? I gotta go clean these out.